Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kylie Trail. She's the Director of Brand Management for the Kentucky Beef Council. And today you are going to share with us why beef is a great part of a balanced diet.
Yes. Beef is just protein packed, and in a 3-ounce serving, which is the size of a deck of cards, you get 10 essential nutrients. So we have a garlic herb steak salad. So we have taken a top sirloin steak and put garlic and herb seasoning, no salt seasoning, on it and grilled it. So just threw it on the grill and flipped it when the juices were rising. Flipped it, and then brought it to 145. The steak is laying on a bed of baby spinach, which actually greens increase your nutrient absorption. So when you pair beef with baby spinach or any other lettuce, it increases your nutrient absorption of all those good things. And then we have some tomatoes, and you can put some red onions and some hard-boiled eggs on there. That goes really well with our salad dressing that I'm about to prepare for you.
Yes, now what is this dressing, Kylie?
So it's a honey mustard based like olive oil dressing. It's super easy. So we've got some honey mustard that you could stick in there.
This is just regular honey mustard? Just
regular honey mustard. And then, so 2 tablespoons of honey mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some lemon juice. And then we'll just take the same seasoning, the garlic herb seasoning that we put on our steak.
Okay.
We're just going to sprinkle a little bit in there and then whisk it around.
Now, can we just serve it right away? Do we need to refrigerate it?
Yeah. You just whisk it right up, and once your steak's done, you can assemble your salad, and then there you are. There's your
and it smells so good. So we've got tomatoes. You said eggs and red onion would be great. Now, Kylie, what would you say to someone who is a little bit nervous around the grill?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's so easy. So all I did was grab that steak out of the fridge, throw some seasoning on it, go out, warm the grill up on high heat, and then turn it back down to medium heat. Throw that steak on, and this salad features a top sirloin, but you could certainly use whatever other steak may be on sale at your grocer that week. And so you just go throw it on the grill with that seasoning, and like I said, wait till the juices rise to the top to flip it. And then no matter if you think you're a grill master or you're a little weary of the grill, you're gonna want to use a meat thermometer. So you're gonna lift your grill up off the grill horizontally, stick your meat thermometer into the thickest part of the meat, and you're gonna want it to at least read 145, which is medium rare. And that's where you're gonna get your best eating experience is 145.
Now, this salad is more of a savory salad, but steak pairs so nicely with strawberries, with some balsamic vinegar. Dried cranberries would be great on the salad. Now, do you have other salad recipes on the Kentucky Beef?
Oh yes, a plethora of them. Okay. So if you don't like something in here, there's so many more options out there. One of my favorite salads to do in the summer is dried cranberries, feta cheese, pecans, and then some fresh strawberries with balsamic vinegar over some spinach.
And on your all's website, I did see that you all have some step-by-step directions for those of us who maybe lack a little confidence around the grill.
Yep. So we have all sorts of tips and tricks for grilling or even, any other type of cooking beef.
Now, Kylie, if I go to the grocery store and maybe I see a certain type of cut of beef on sale, but I'm not quite sure how to prepare it, can I get information on the website that will show me how to?
Yes, you go up to the search bar and search whatever cut you have just gotten, and it will pull up all sorts of recipes for you.
If you would like more information or recipe inspiration, be sure to visit KentuckyBeef.com. Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.